Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to set up Tradingview for beginners. We'll cover everything from creating an account to building your first chart, so you can get started with confidence. First, we need to go to Tradingview. If we don't have an account yet, we press this icon. Instead of the current design, look for an icon that looks like the outline of a person. Click on that and sign up. We can use our email, Google, or Apple to register. Once we're in, we click Charts to open our first trading chart. We can also go through products to access the charts. On the main chart, in the top left corner, we'll see the market symbol, such as BTC USD. This could be USD, Bitcoin, or even Apple stock, depending on what we want to view. Click it and our chart will load instantly. Now let's choose a time frame. We can pick 1 day, labeled as 1D, or 4 hours, shown as 4H. The calendar icon helps us select a custom range if we want to analyze specific periods. To add basic indicators, head over to Indicators. Here, we can add tools like the RSI, which will appear on our chart. The RSI helps us see if a market is overbought or oversold, which is useful for spotting possible reversals. We can also add a moving average to see the price movements more clearly. Moving averages smooth out the price data, making it easier to spot trends and understand the market's direction. These indicators help us find trading opportunities and make better decisions. If we want to customize our charts, we can change the chart layout right here. To do that, select the Chart Layout option. We can also adjust the colors to make the candles easier to read and to suit our preferences. Customizing the appearance helps us analyze the data more comfortably and makes our workspace easier to use. After setting up the chart, it's important to save our layout so we don't lose our changes. We do this by pressing to save everything. If we want to create a watch list, which is optional but very useful, we open the watch list panel and add our favorite symbols. This makes it easy to switch between markets quickly and keep an eye on the assets we care about. Now, we're set up on TradingView and ready to start analyzing the market. Thanks for following along.